It's looking like it's going to be a nice day out on the water. Fair winds, clear skies, and low humidity. Perfect sailing conditions. Looking forward to a nice day. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoy the ride. It should be a good one.
We were out here last year and it got pretty wavy. And I think Lindsay almost got sick.
Oh, you did have a headache one time.
That was last year though?
Yeah, I think so. I don't remember if it was because of the weight though, or if you just had a headache. Huh? I might have some drowsy. That'll put me straight to sleep. This is my thing. Pretty positive.
My bed feels like a boat now, so.
Your bed feels like a boat?
Yep.
How does your bed feel like a boat? Is it rocking? You have a rocking bed?
It's very, like.
Your mattress?
Yeah.
And just to
break her of that.
Yeah.
And then swap horses with Jackie for a week.
Was it windy yesterday?
No. Mm-mm.
Sure. Then I'll probably just go a little short ride by myself. How would you know? Like, right?
I should say pretty much things going to tip that way now. Are you talking about the ship?
Oh.
Yes. the little down there.
Here's an ATG.
Ready?
Yep.
Right. Come up. Right, let that one go. That's gonna have to come in quite a bit. Crank it around.
I can't.
Go the other way. There you go. A little more. That's good. Good enough.
Lindsay's situated. Here you go. You want that? Do you want me to take the charcuterie down, or should I still snack it?
No, I'm done.
Grab a couple more things, Dad, and then I'll.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
We'll bring him back up otherwise.
Okay. Yep. Capturing America. Gotta catch the stack.
That's mean of you to laugh at me.
Oh, that was pretty funny.
Thanks for watching and sailing along. We hope you enjoyed the ride. If you did, please remember to hit like, give us a like, and also subscribe if you would. Doesn't cost anything and there's no commitment, but it does help our channel grow. So we'd appreciate it very much if you would. And again, we'll see you back out on the water soon.